This is where the AWS well-architected framework comes into play. It provides guidelines and best practices to help you design your application effectively. The framework consists of 6 pillars that you need to understand deeply for certification. These pillars cover aspects like operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization, and sustainability. In summary, mastering these 6 pillars is crucial for anyone looking to build robust applications on AWS. First, let's talk about operational excellence. This pillar emphasizes the importance of automation and monitoring in our processes. By using tools like CloudWatch and CloudTrail, we can set up monitoring systems that help us track our applications and respond to incidents quickly. The main goal here is to ensure that our processes run efficiently and that any changes we make are safe and secure. Think of it like having a well-oiled machine. When everything is monitored and automated, it runs smoothly without unexpected breakdowns. Next, we have the security pillar. This is all about protecting our data and resources. We use various tools like IAM roles, KMS encryption, VPC security groups, and ACLs to ensure that our information is secure from unauthorized access. Imagine locking your house with multiple locks. Each security measure adds an extra layer of protection. In summary, operational excellence focuses on efficiency and safety in processes, while security ensures that our data remains protected. First, let's talk about the principle of least privilege. This means that users should only have access to the information and resources they absolutely need to perform their tasks. This helps in minimizing potential security risks. Next, we have encryption, which is crucial for protecting data both at rest and in transit. This ensures that sensitive information remains secure, whether it's stored on a server or being transmitted over the internet. Moving on, the third pillar we need to understand is reliability. To achieve reliability, we can use tools like multi-AZ RDS, which helps in maintaining database availability across different zones. Autoscaling and elastic load balancing, ELB, also play a significant role in managing traffic and ensuring that our applications can handle varying loads. Additionally, S3 versioning allows us to keep track of changes to our data, which is vital for disaster recovery and backup strategies. Finally, the fourth pillar is performance efficiency. This focuses on optimizing resources to ensure that our systems run smoothly and efficiently. In summary, understanding these pillars, least privilege, encryption, reliability, and performance efficiency, is essential for building robust systems. First, let's talk about right-sizing. This means adjusting your resources to match your actual needs. For instance, if you have a server that is too powerful for your current workload, you can downsize it to save costs. Next, we have caching with Elasticache, which helps speed up data retrieval by storing frequently accessed data in memory. This reduces the load on your databases. Then, there are Aurora Red replicas, which allow you to scale your database reads by creating copies of your database that can handle read requests. Lastly, Lambda concurrency optimization ensures that your serverless functions run efficiently without unnecessary delays. Now, the fifth pillar we're focusing on is cost optimization. This involves using spot instances, savings plans, and monitoring tools like Cost Explorer to keep track of your spending. The key takeaway here is to design your architecture with cost awareness in mind and aim for waste reduction. By doing this, you can create a system that is not only fast and scalable, but also cost-effective. When we talk about energy-efficient architecture, we are looking at methods like serverless computing and autoscaling architectures. These approaches help us use only the resources we need, which not only saves energy, but also reduces costs. In our lab flow, We will deploy a sample web application using a stack that includes EC2, RDS, and S3. This combination allows us to run our application, manage databases, and store data efficiently. We will also enable CloudWatch metrics to monitor our application's performance. Additionally, we will configure IAM roles for security and set up auto-scaling, along with an elastic load balancer, or ELB, to manage traffic effectively. In summary, sustainability in cloud architecture is about using resources wisely while maintaining performance. By implementing these strategies, we can create applications that are both efficient and scalable. To achieve this, we need to validate our architecture against these expectations. However, there are common mistakes that teams often make. For instance, they might focus solely on building the infrastructure while neglecting the foundational pillars that support it. Additionally, skipping automation and monitoring can lead to significant issues down the line. It's also crucial to follow best practices for cost optimization and security. Ignoring these can compromise the entire system. A safe approach is to evaluate every decision through the lens of these pillars. Think of it like building a house. You wouldn't just focus on the walls without considering the foundation or the roof. In summary, by validating our architecture and avoiding these common pitfalls, we can create a system that truly meets our operational goals. First, we have operational excellence, which focuses on running and monitoring systems to deliver business value. Next is security, ensuring that your data and systems are protected from threats. Then we have reliability, which is all about ensuring your applications can recover from failures and continue to function. Performance efficiency helps you use resources efficiently, while cost optimization focuses on minimizing costs without sacrificing quality. Lastly, sustainability emphasizes environmentally friendly practices in cloud operations. Think of these pillars like the foundation of a house. Just as a strong foundation supports the entire structure, these pillars support your cloud architecture, ensuring it is robust and effective. To recap, the 6 pillars are operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization, and sustainability. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what advanced AWS topic you'd like to learn about next.